Boy, I've definitely taken our daughter to a petting zoo. It's always a lot of fun for sure. And they have some in the CSRA as well. Claudia said the neighbor actually took all of the kids, including hers, to a petting zoo. Her child got bit in the arm, needed some stitches. She really doesn't want to send the neighbor the bill, but she signed something when they went in that clears the zoo of any liability. So who's going to be responsible, and what should Claudia do?
Yeah, this is going to be a tough one. This is where we have to be a counselor and a lawyer, depending on the amount of the medical bills associated with this and the relationship she has with the friend, whether or not she wants to have this affect their friendship. She needs to make a decision about what she wants to do. In many cases, it doesn't make sense monetarily to involve a lawyer when you have a situation like this, where the issue is usually over a couple of $100s. That is not something that's usually litigated. But with regard to the limited liability release that was signed there at the petting zoo, that does not cover gross negligence. In other words, if this petting zoo knew that this goat had bitten tons of people, and they let it be in the area where children were constantly, and they kept biting them, and the employees bet on which one of the kids that the goat would bite, that limited liability isn't worth release isn't worth what it's written on. So there are circumstances where the petting zoo could be responsible, and I would try to repair the relationship or avoid hurting the relationship with the neighbor, especially if you have a good one. That would be my counsel.